I'm Billy Milligan. I work for a company called Howden. We manufacture very large industrial fans and compressors that are used in things like mining applications, petrochemical applications, wastewater applications. Been responsible for the conception and then the technical development of the Howden Uptime platform, where we remotely monitor the health and performance of the assets that are rotating all over the world. Beforehand, Kepware was used quite sparsely, if I'm perfectly honest. If we were doing some industrial controls and automation local, and we needed a product to take data from one asset to another asset, then Kepware was used for that very local application. However, at the onset of Howden Uptime, we needed a product that was going to take data from all of these assets that are geographically spread out all over the world and send them into our Uptime platform. And really there was only one product that was capable of doing that, and it was Kepware. The reason we use Kepware is the ease of connection between Kepware and our ThingWorx platform. That always-on connection, secure, reliable, dead easy to set up. That's the main reason why we use Kepware. The onset of us connecting all these remote assets to a central platform was the real driver from going maybe buying 1 or 2 licenses a year to, we've now got hundreds of Kepware licenses. The driver was a strategic decision to get really sticky with our customers and have a remote monitoring platform that we become the trusted resource for those assets, and we needed a way of connecting it, and Kepware was the only real way that we could enable that. Really, we want to build that relationship with the customer that, hey, Howden's got our back on these assets as their maintenance team is retiring or leaving the workforce, that we can then take up that heavy lifting and look after the machine for them and report to them at the end of the month, your machine's fine, carry on, or we've noticed these anomalies, somebody needs to do something about it. So to become that trusted advisor, and actually as a result of that, we've actually seen our aftermarket growth. With each one of those customers where we roll out Uptime to, we then start to win way more aftermarket business with those customers because we're in constant communication with them.